Okay, we just arrived in Paris and we made our way to our hotel, and we are staying at the Holiday Inn Gare d'Est, which is right across the street from the Gare d'Est train station. You can see the big train station over here. We're in room 711, and we just got here, and it's funny, you can see another Holiday Inn sign over there, but that's the big Gare d'Est train station. You can see, Sacré-Cœur, which is the big church on the hill over there. And we actually took the train from Amsterdam and we arrived at the Gare du Nord, which is the other train station, and it was a really easy downhill 8-minute walk from the other train station. We have a few full-size bags on wheels, and it was really no problem to walk. It's 11 o'clock on a Friday night, so it was really crowded, but we definitely felt safe for the whole walk. So let me give you a quick tour of the room here. Again, this is the Holiday Inn. When I want to stay at a budget, a lower expensive property, a less expensive property, I like Holiday Inn because they're a part of IHG. We love to stay at Intercontinental, but we're a member of the IHG Rewards. I think I'm Gold Elite level, so you get free Wi-Fi and you get other benefits. You also earn points when you stay at a Holiday Inn on your IHG Rewards. So we have this nice little bed with Latrice, who is very tired like I am from walking around Amsterdam all day, and then we just had a 3-4 hour train ride with Alice on the high-speed train. The train broke down in Brussels, which wasn't a huge deal. We waited about 30 minutes on the track. They brought another train, we switched trains, and then we continued the journey. Normally it takes about 3 hours. And I also want to mention that I always book my European train tickets with raileurope.com. It's the best way to book European tickets if you live in the US. So we have that nice bed, we have that single big window over there, kind of a funky yellow modern style. The lobby had the same style. Nice big screen TV. Welcome, Mr. and Mrs. Sherman. That's funny. You have your little work area here. You have a little coffee pot and coffee service. And then you have a closet right here. So we're gonna put our luggage away in a second. And then you have a compact but new, nice little bathroom with a big shower over here. And again, this same kind of funky patterned wall tile. And then your little toilet area over there. Again, this is room 711 here at the Holiday Inn Gare d'Est in Paris, France. Hey, why not subscribe to my YouTube channel? Just click the red subscribe button. I post all kinds of luxury travel and regular travel and luxury car and car reviews and all kinds of stuff every couple of days. So certainly appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. You can follow me on social media at LuxuryFred. And you can read more about my Paris adventure at businesstravelerusa.com and at luxuryfred.com. Hey, thank you very much for watching.